Hello and welcome back to the channel. This little update here on the Romulus resto mod that we carried out here at the Steam Workshop takes us to the Steam Workshop website at www.steamworkshop.co.uk. Now the Romulus is finally listed for sale on the website, so you go to the for sale section, drop down menu onto rail models, then scrolling down through the various gauges we've got, 3.5 inch gauge, 5 inch gauge, onto the 7.25 inch gauge, and there we will find the 7.25 Romulus Berry Hill. And it has taken a while for this to actually go live on the website. We've had the Christmas period, we've had a fair amount of snow and cold weather, so getting it outside in a nice dry conditions to get the best photos possible of this locomotive, it has taken a while. But here it is now listed for sale. There is a small blurb on there just talking you through the locomotive itself and some of the things we've done to it. We've got a plethora of photographs of basically almost every square inch of the locomotive, showing you its current condition and the end product really of the restoration project. At the bottom there's a link to this video series that I've created on the 7.25 inch Romulus resto mod, and at the bottom there is Simon's phone number. So if you are interested in this project at all, if you're interested in this locomotive at all, please do give Simon a bell. I'm sure he'll be happy to help you out. Also down at the bottom there is the price tag that we have put on the loco and riding truck combination. Everything you see in the pictures without the rail and the nameplate, and also Mark the model in one of the photos, you can't have him, is included in the sale of this engine. And yeah, I think the photos have turned out really nice on this. It's really difficult to appreciate the locomotive until you see it in the flesh, but here in the photos it shows you a little bit of the color change aspect that we've got. It's a dark plum, and in certain lights it does come out as black. We have got the original nameplate and maker's plate on it, so it is currently called Berry Hill with the Brackenworks maker's plate on it. It just seemed we couldn't figure out a proper thing to do to it, so should any future customer wish to rename it, it's entirely up to them. But yeah, it's a ground up restoration. Everything's been touched on it, and I think it looks lovely, and the pictures really do show every detail off. Riding truck that came with it, that has also been given a new lease of life, a full paint job. Nice new seat cover. You won't get the coal that's in it though, that's ours, that's just there for show. But yeah, it's I think the sale of this will really be the bittersweet ending of the Romulus Resto Mod project, and it's been an absolute pleasure to work on. And yeah, it's nice to see it finally up for sale. But if you are interested, please don't hesitate to call Simon at the bottom. You can even get in touch with me, leave a message on here. But as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.